Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x cube minus in bracket 3 plus root 3 x plus 3 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So x cube minus, if you multiply this, 3x plus minus root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now I am going to take the substitution and put y is equals to root 3 and y square is equals to 3. So I can write this as x cube minus y square x minus yx plus y square is equals to 0. Now, if I'll take x as common from first two terms, so x square minus y square, and if I'll take negative y as common, so x minus y is equals to 0. Now I'm going to use a very famous identity here. X square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. So x times x plus y, x minus y minus y, x minus y is equals to 0. Now if I'll take x minus y as common, so x plus y minus y is equals to 0. So x minus y, x square plus xy minus y is equals to 0. Now I put the values again. Y is square root of 3. Now our first root is x minus root 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to root 3. This is the first value of x. Now I'm going to simplify this with the help of quadratic formula, that is negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is coefficient of x, that is square root of 3, and c is the constant, that is negative square root of 3. So negative square root 3 plus minus under root 3 square minus 4 times 1 times negative square root of 3 by 2 times 1. So negative square root of 3 plus minus, this becomes 3 plus 4 root 3 by 2. So our x1 is square root of 3, x2 is negative 3 plus square root 3 plus 4 root 3 by 2, and x3 is negative 3 plus 4 square root of 3 by 2. These are the three values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.